Shut up and sit down.
To disable the passenger front airbags, first you need to locate the key for turning the airbag on and off. Normally found passenger side of the car in dashboard when you open the passenger door. If you've got a ignition key car, use the ignition key in the slot. If you've got smart key, do as I'm showing you in the video here. You need to extract the emergency key out of your key fob. You need to power the car up into ready mode. And as you can see on the indicator by the gear lever, it says airbag on. Get your key. Now put the key in the slot. Mine's in the off position here. And I'm now going to turn it back on and extract the key. And it indicates on the display it is now back on. Now I'm going to put the key back in, turn it to the off position and remove the key. The airbag is now disabled as shown on the indicator in front of the gear lever. Why would you do this? The only time you would do this is if you were carrying an infant on the front seat in a baby seat and you've got it on the front seat and you don't want the airbag going off and injuring that child in the event of an accident